Open 3D Lab proudly presents a Stop Wasting My Time production. Don't just say hello in chat.
Hi.
Hey there, how can I help you?
One eternity later.
Hi, I'm working on this Blender animation and I'm trying to do...
Oh, sure, that's pretty easy. You just gotta, It's as if you called someone on the phone and said hi, and then put them on hold. Instead, combine your introductions with your question. That way, someone is able to read it and instantly provide an answer. You get help minutes sooner and you don't make them wait. Instead, the person can start thinking about your question right away. You're trying to be polite by not jumping right into the request, like you would do in person or on the phone. But chat is neither of those things. Typing is much slower than talking. Instead of being polite, you're just making the other person wait for you to phrase your question, which is lost productivity. The same goes for, hello, are you there? Hi Bob, quick question. Do you have a second? Just ask the question. If you feel it's brusque to just say hi and ask the question, you can do something like this. Hi, if you're not busy, I was wondering if I could ask a question. I'm working on... whatever. Additionally, asking your question before getting a reply allows for asynchronous communication. If the other party is away and you leave before they come back, they can still answer your question instead of just staring at a hello and wonder what they missed.